Alright guys, so we're back. This is going to be episode number 4 of the Quarantine Cook. We're in the kitchen all day. Basically this is all we do is just cook and cook and cook because we can't go anywhere. We're in quarantine right now. And I promised you guys it's going to be a 2-episode deal today. So this is the second thing that we're going to make. I was at the grocery store the other day and we got this ham. I don't know if you can see it there. $9. Huge ham. I've already sliced it up a little bit. I got my package starting to open. But if you're balling on a budget right now for quarantine, this ham is massive. And so I thought I'd show you how we're going to cook it. And basically I got my roasting pan here. Drop that baby down in there. I got some water. I'm going to put that in there. I'm going to throw some aluminum foil over. We're going to throw this baby in the oven. And that's it. That's how you make a ham. This is my shortest YouTube video so far. Thanks for liking and subscribing to everything. I'm just kidding. We'll be back. We got to cook this for 2 hours. We're going to put it in my oven for about 2 hours. Once we get the foil over it. We're going to work on the side. We're going to get some butter, some brown sugar, and some honey. And we're going to make a glaze for this. So after about 2 hours in the oven, we'll check on this. We'll be back with you guys. We're going to make some dinner rolls. We're going to make some potatoes. We're going to make a bunch of stuff today. So we'll kind of fill you in along the way. But we'll be back with you in just a little bit. Alright guys. I just want to show you. Some of the struggle of being a quarantine cook is when you go to wrap your ham in aluminum foil and this happens. Reynolds wrap, you know, I mentioned you guys before, we love you. Apparently, somebody missed buying the Reynolds wrap at the store. So I've sent my producers to the store. They're going to go get us the rest of the foil that we need to cover the ham. But I just want to share that with you guys, so every time you're having bad time in the kitchen, just remember, it happens to the best of us, the most professional chef. It can happen. Alright, we're back. The girls were able to save the day. They got some Reynolds wrap. And the ham has been in the oven for 2 hours now. So we're going to pull this bad boy out.
I can't pan down with this.
You are a pan down. Don't worry about it. I already got it set. Alright, so we got that out. Next step is we're going to take this little foil cover that we got, which was kind of flawed here, but we'll fix that anyways. We're going to cut some slits in it, and then we're going to get our brown sugar marinade ready here. So we'll be back with you. We'll show you that here shortly. Alright guys, so I just started cutting some of my slits here. I just wanted to show you guys that juice. If that don't make you hungry, I don't know what will. We're going to cut, just don't cut too deep. We just want to cut through the fat. Kind of open that up a little bit. Ooh, that's looking good. Alright guys, so we're back. I have some butter in my little saucepan here. I just got that on like a medium heat. We're going to put some honey in this. I don't measure. So I just pour some honey in there. I need plenty of it. My producer's making noise off camera, just disregard that. We're going to put some brown sugar in. This is light brown sugar because this is what we got and we're going to use it up. Because that's how we do it on the Quarantine Cook. We're going to use up our supplies. This is a little teaser. We're working on our next episode already. Cheesecakes I got coming. We got some other good stuff in the works. Maybe Shauna will do salsa. We'll see. But what we're going to do is we're just going to get this, caramelize this out, make this all nice. And then we're going to take our ham back out. We're going to brush our ham with it and we'll be in good shape. Alright, so we got this all whipped up here. This is looking pretty good. This is going to be ready. We're going to go ahead and we'll pull the ham out. We're going to glaze it over with this. Leave it in the oven for a couple more hours. And we'll get our roll started here next. Alright guys, we're glazing the ham. I just wanted you guys to see the last of this go on. Just see this drizzle. That's gonna be good. It's like a lob drizzle. Alright guys, we're back. We've got the ham glazed. We're gonna put this baby back in the oven about 2-ish hours. And every so often we're gonna take it out and we're just gonna slither it in glaze. Is that the right word I want? Basting. I'm gonna baste it. I'm gonna baste it. But anyways, that goes back in there. Alright, so that's that for the ham. We're gonna let that bake. We're gonna get back at this in a little while. We're chopping up some salsa. Shauna's gonna show us how to make salsa later. It's a mini episode. As soon as we get stuff from the market. So we'll check in with that later. It is ironic though, you have to admit, that no more than at least 2 days ago, I uploaded a YouTube video about a multi-level marketing scam that's going on LinkedIn right now. And today, I signed up to sell the Pampered Chef. But I just want to throw this out there. We love the Pampered Chef.
Pampered Chef, and I always have.
We hate multi-level marketing scams. We've got tons of Pampered Chef stuff in the house. And I needed something to sell because of, YouTube channels. This ain't free. It costs money. So, you saw this earlier today. My Pampered Chef mix-all cup. So, this does dry and liquid measurement. You just pop this out. Flip it back around like this. Bang. Dry or liquid measurement. I love this. It's awesome. I have to have it in the kitchen because I don't even like to measure, but when I do, I'm going to use this. Super handy. So it's 12 bucks. Hit me up on my website. I'll put the link in the description. The Measure All Pampered Chef. We love it. Alright guys, so the ham is out of the oven. We're going to let this sit for just a little while. We're going to slice it up, make some sides, and get this on the plate, guys. Thanks for joining us. This was really fun, and it smells too delicious to wait. So we're just going to go ahead and get right into it.